Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside Inverter Welder, the model PISG 120D5. In the past I have made for the previous model, you can check in that video after the end of this video or down below in the description. Working current 10 to 120 amp, weldable material thickness 1.5 to 3 mm. Suitable electrodes 1.6 to 2.5 mm diameter. 3 kg it is the weight. Included accessories we're gonna find out together. Electronically controlled smooth and uniform welding arc with thermal overload protection and 4 meters of cable. 3 years warranty. Let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Wow, it is small! Okay, I like that. Compact and portable. The 4 meters power cord, huge thickness. The electrodes, 3 different dimensions, thinner, in the middle, and thicker. And of course, included we have in the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Here we have the welding mask with a handle that goes here. Press and up and it will lock. Here it is the protective glass. That goes here, just slide. And that was all. Parkside logo, small, lightweight. Definitely it will do the job. Protecting your eyes. If you think this protective glass is not doing a good job, replace it, buy a new one, better, because your eyes, it is very important. Your health and your eyes is very important. Combi wire brass with slug hammer. The carrying strap. You need to install that here, left and right. Nice. The earth terminal cable. There it is. With a length 3 meters. And the connection to the inverter, to the welder. And of course we have the electrode holder. That goes at the middle, 45 degrees here, 45 degrees here. Or you can install it the same and from the other side. It is your choice. That's all. Now let's move on at the main unit, the welder. Here it is the rotary knob from 10 to 120 amp, 10, 32, 54, 56, 98 and 120 amp, the maximum. The power LED and the control lamp for overheating. Minus and plus. Here it goes the ground. Press, rotate and it locks. The same and for the other cable, the electrode holder, press, rotate and it will lock. So easy. And at the back, of course, we have the on-off switch, how you will turn on this welder.